Today I got a 2016 Hyundai Sonata and we're going to do an oil change on this. Just give me a little instructional video on how to do this. First thing you're going to need is your Hyundai oil filter. This is aftermarket, of course, 10,000 mile protection, MSL51334. I'm going to put a link in the description below and also in this little tiny left hand corner if you guys can, because it's so freaking hot out here in Florida. It's like 3,000 degrees. Could you just buy the oil filter or the oil right there on the product line so I can get a little bit of percentage that gives me a little bit more incentive to do videos like this for you guys out there. So we're going to use Mobile 5W20. We have the MicroGuard filter. You're going to need a basin or a drip pan, number 14 millimeter wrench, and that's it. So let's get to work. It's actually number 17. I know you saw me correct that and edit the videos there, so it's number 17. We're gonna take this off now. I believe it's 4.5 quarts in this baby here. Might be 5. I'll update that as the video goes on, or I've already edited it here. So let's go ahead and take this off. A little bit of a mallet action there. Let's see if I can make this happen without having any oil on my hands. That might be pretty difficult there. And this is super hot. Hey, just got a little bit. A little bit of oil never hurt anybody. Alright. Let that drain out now. Let that drain out and then we will put the plug back in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our, after that's done draining of course, we're going to go right here to our oil filter. We're going to take that off. And what we have is this oil wrench here. And you guys can buy this also in the product line below. Have one of these. And if you don't like this version, I also am going to put in the version that has, connects to your half-inch socket, but that's done draining almost, and we'll put the plug in. Alright, almost done draining, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my plug back in. Make sure you guys have that washer on there. Sometimes you guys can put like blue or red thread locker on there. I've never had an issue with these, so again, number 17. Get that nice and tight. Alright, that's tight as heck. Alright, moving right along to our, let me get the camera set up here. You guys can see that. Catch basin underneath the oil filter. Boy, that wasn't on tight at all, huh? This is gonna be super hot. And you know, I've seen videos where people drill in through the bottom here, so it drips out the bottom. You can do that. I'm just gonna wait a little bit for this to drip out. Probably grab some gloves here in a second. Alright, I'm just gonna take this off now. I've got a little towel here. Oh shit, that's exactly what I didn't want to happen. Well, that's why you don't do it on your driveway. Alright guys, let's put our oil filter on now. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have a little bit of oil on my new filter. I poured oil in it and lubricated the ring around the oil filter as well. Alright, clean up a little bit here. Get this snug with the towel. And then what we're going to do is simply tighten this up. Alright, it's pretty damn good. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead up top, fill it with oil. Our plug is tightened, filter is tightened, now it's time to go up top. Well, here comes the Mobil 1, and by the way, I cleaned up my screen for you. That oil splash got on my lens, but it's all good. You're going to go ahead and put in all 5 quarts of this. It calls for 4.86, but you can go ahead and pour in the whole amount. Remember that oil filter takes up a little bit, so. Mobil 1, baby. Alrighty, there we go. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you buy the oil filter and oil or wherever you can through the product list down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Please subscribe. Share this in the Hyundai forums if you're in there. My Facebook group, Hyundai Sonatas. Have a great day, guys.